Well, hey guys, I'm going to do a taste review on this product here. It's called Backcountry Cuisine. This one particularly is beef stroganoff. Now I bought this beginning of COVID, so it's probably around 5 years old. The best before date is before a couple of weeks time, so I'm getting right in at the end, so you could say I'm trying progress possibly up around 5 years old. I like beef stroganoff. I don't know how good this is going to be, but we're going to do the process and see how we go. Okay, the packet says to make it round as possible and to shake up all the contents. Right, and we're just going to cut along. You can tear it off, but I'm going to cut it off. Cut it along here. Obviously the first time it's been opened in up to around 5 years. That over there. And remove any satchels. Well, I don't know whether that's just any satchels are in there. That's what's inside. I see mushroom, I think. I don't see. It smells. I can smell like a milk powder thing in there, but you know, I don't know. They list all the ingredients, you know, mile long, but it doesn't look like there's any satchels in there at all. Looks like it's a case of just add the boiling water. There's no satchels in there, as I can see. So we're going to add boiling water. Now it's got a funny suggestion to add to the marking Mount Everest for some reason, which is that one. It says Mount Everest. Obviously they use this packet for a lot of their foods and they just put a sticker on front. Some of them must have satchels, I take it, but not this one. So the idea is, it's very simple. We add boiling water up to here. So we'll get our boiling water. This kettle just boiled, so looks about right, I think. Right, give it a bit of a stir up, it says. Just a stir up. Give it a stir. And then we close it up according to the directions. Actually, that's got a smell to it now. It doesn't smell too bad. For 10 to 15 minutes. So I'm going to stop the video for 15 minutes. So it has the full time it states on there, and then we'll have a taste test. Okay guys, our 15 minutes has passed, and I'm going to open this and have a look. So what we've done, obviously, we've rounded it, shaken it up, just follow the directions on the back, cut the top off where it's lined up here, filled it with hot water to the level, stayed on the back. In this case they call it Mount Everest, but that's it there, just below that second cut line. We shook it up, add the hot water, been sitting for 15 minutes, and we sealed it with its packaging. Obviously the idea is you eat it straight out of the packet. If you're out in the wilderness, you know, the less washing up, the less utensils you have to use, the better. So just to consume and dispose of properly, of course. So let's have a look at what it looks like. So it smelled. I wouldn't say it's a great smell, but it's not too bad. So this is what it looks like. I can see bits of beef in there. Can stir that up. It says you can add hot water, more hot water if you need to on there, but to me that wouldn't need any more because I can see a little bit of hot water floating around there on the top. So we'll do a bit of a taste test. It's probably quite warm. I can see some corn sitting on there, and supposedly a bit of beef. I don't know what sort of beef that is, but and there's white rice in there too, I'm led to believe, what I saw in the back. What do I think of that? Definitely got the corn, I can taste the corn. Here's the corn again. I'll just get some of the so-called beef out. There's a little bit of the beef. I'll just taste that. Not much taste to it. Look, I don't know what you expect. A freeze-dried food. It's edible. It's quite all right. Not over excited about the taste. What would I rate that taste out of 10? Probably 5, 6. Nothing more than that. Obviously, that amount of food would fill you up, keep you going. But yeah, they're a good thing. I don't know what some other brands are like, but that's that particular brand. Back to Country Cuisine. This one's got a use by date in 3 weeks' time, so it should be as good as any date pre this time. It shouldn't make any difference. So yeah, not too bad. Not a great taste. 5 or 6 out of 10 in my book. But I have not eaten this type of thing before. I can't compare it to others or things like that. I'm just going on general taste there of normal food. I'm going to try another one in next week because it's due in June this year, 2025. This is April, the end of April 2025. We've just today's the 8th of April. It says best before the 24th of April. So there you go. Hope you like that. We'll see how we go with the next one. Bye bye.